Ever found yourself contemplating the idea of creating your own Shopify website? Well, you're not alone. Each day, countless budding entrepreneurs just like you are turning to Shopify as their platform of choice. And why wouldn't they? Shopify is a comprehensive e-commerce solution that allows individuals and businesses to set up their own online store without the need for any technical expertise. It's user-friendly, versatile, and packed with a wealth of features to help you sell your products or services to the world. Whether you're a small business owner looking to expand your reach or an artist with a vision to share, Shopify might just be the perfect platform for you. It's a popular choice for a reason, and that reason is its unparalleled ability to make e-commerce accessible to all. So, stay tuned. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to create your own Shopify website. Starting your journey with Shopify is as simple as signing up for an account. So, let's dive into how you can get your very own Shopify account up and running. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Shopify homepage. On the top right corner, you'll spot a button labeled Start Free Trial. Clicking this button will direct you to the sign-up page. Here, you'll need to provide some basic information to set up your account. The first thing Shopify asks for is your email address. Ensure to use an email that you check regularly, as this will be your primary mode of communication with Shopify. Next, you'll be asked to create a password. Remember, the strength of your password is crucial for the security of your account, so make sure it's both unique and robust. Once you have entered your email and password, you will be asked to name your store. This is the fun part. Your store name is essentially your brand, so choose something that represents what you're all about. However, keep in mind that the name needs to be unique as well. If the name you chose is already taken, Shopify will prompt you to choose another one. After you've nailed down your store name, click Create Your Store. Shopify will then take a few moments to set up your store. In the meantime, you'll be asked to answer a few more questions about your business. This step is optional, but it's a good idea to complete it as it helps Shopify tailor your experience. And just like that, you've signed up for Shopify. But wait, there's more. Shopify offers a 14-day free trial for all new users. This means you have 2 full weeks to play around, explore, and set up your online store before you start being billed. So, don't worry about making everything perfect right away. Use this time to familiarize yourself with the platform and its features. There's a lot to learn, but don't get overwhelmed. Remember, every great online store starts with that first step of signing up. With these simple steps, you're now one step closer to launching your Shopify website. Now that you've signed up, it's time to set up your online store. Setting up your online store is a crucial step in your journey to becoming an online entrepreneur. The first thing you should focus on is adding products to your store. On Shopify, you can add products manually, one by one, or if you have a large inventory, you can import a CSV file. Each product should have a unique name, a detailed description, a price, and an image. Remember, the more information you provide about your products, the better. Next, let's talk about setting up payment methods. Shopify supports a wide variety of payment gateways, including credit cards, PayPal, and even cryptocurrencies. To set up your preferred payment method, go to the Settings section, then to Payment Providers, and choose the one that suits your business needs best. Shopify also has its own payment gateway, Shopify Payments, which is a great option if it's available in your country. Now, onto configuring shipping options. You need to determine how you'll deliver your products to your customers. Shopify provides a range of shipping options, from free shipping to calculated rates based on weight or price. To set up your shipping, go to the Settings section, then to Shipping and Delivery, and set your rates and delivery methods. Don't forget about taxes. Depending on where you're selling, you may need to collect sales tax. Shopify can automatically handle most common sales tax calculations. You can set this up in the Taxes section under Settings. Lastly, you need to set up your store's policies, like your return policy and privacy policy. These are important legal documents that protect both you and your customers. Shopify provides templates for these policies to make it easier for you. In this process, remember to save your work regularly. Shopify has an auto-save feature, but it's always good to manually save your progress just in case. With your online store set up, you're ready to customize your website. Customizing your Shopify website is where you can really make it your own. The beauty of Shopify lies in its flexibility, allowing you to create an online store that truly reflects your brand and style. First, let's talk about themes. Shopify has a robust selection of both free and premium themes that you can utilize. They dictate the overall layout and look of your site. You can explore the theme store to find one that aligns with your brand personality. Once you've chosen a theme, you can easily install it and begin customizing to your heart's content. Now, let's move on to adding a logo. Your logo is a visual representation of your brand, and it's crucial that it's prominently displayed on your site. Within your theme settings, you'll find an option to upload your logo. Simply click on Select Image and choose the logo file from your device. Remember to ensure your logo is clear, visible, and appropriately sized to maintain a professional aesthetic. Next, let's discuss color schemes. Colors have a significant impact on how your brand is perceived. Shopify allows you to adjust the colors of various elements on your site, including the header, body text, buttons, and links. Navigate to Theme Settings and then Colors. Here, you can select the primary and secondary colors that match your brand's palette. It's recommended to maintain consistency in your color scheme to create a harmonious and visually appealing site. Finally, don't forget to save all your changes. Shopify automatically saves your progress, but it's always a good idea to manually save to ensure no changes are lost. Remember, customization is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing process that evolves with your brand and customer preferences. Regularly updating and tweaking your site will ensure it stays fresh, relevant, and engaging for your visitors. Your Shopify website now has a unique look and feel that represents your brand. It's a digital reflection of who you are and what you offer, and it's ready to make a powerful impression on your customers. With your website set up and customized, you're ready to launch. Let's walk through the final steps to get your Shopify website up and running. The first thing on our checklist is to ensure all settings are in place. This includes double-checking your payment gateways, shipping methods, and tax settings. It's important to ensure these are all correct, as they play a crucial part in your customers' shopping experience. Next, we'll talk about testing your website. This is a crucial step that you should never skip. Start by placing a few test orders. This allows you to view your site from your customer's perspective and helps you spot any issues before they do. Shopify provides a handy guide on how to create test orders, so be sure to check that out. While testing, pay extra attention to the checkout process. Is it smooth and easy for customers to complete their purchase? Are there any confusing steps or broken links? Remember, a smooth checkout process can greatly increase your conversion rates. Lastly, let's talk about going live. To do this, you need to remove the password page. This is the page that prevents the public from viewing your site while it's under construction. To remove it, go to the online store settings in your Shopify admin panel, then click on Preferences. Scroll down to the Password Protection section and untick the Enable Password box. Once you've done that, click Save, and voila, your website is live. But wait, don't rush off to celebrate just yet. After launching, make sure to monitor your site closely for a few days. Look out for any issues that might arise and be ready to address them quickly. Remember, launching your website is just the beginning. The real work starts now as you strive to attract customers and grow your business. Congratulations! Your Shopify website is now live and ready for business. Creating your own Shopify website might seem daunting, but it's a straightforward process when broken down into steps. So let's quickly recap what we've covered. First, we signed up for Shopify, a simple process involving a few details and a couple of clicks. Next, we set up our online store, exploring the different features Shopify offers, from product listings to payment gateways. We then moved on to customizing our website. We delved into the world of themes and layouts, tweaking and tuning to create a unique digital storefront that represents our brand and draws in customers. Finally, we launched our Shopify website, stepping into the vibrant world of e-commerce with our products ready to reach customers around the globe. These steps are your roadmap to creating a successful online store. It's a journey that requires effort, creativity, and a bit of technical know-how. But with Shopify, it's definitely attainable. Now that you're equipped with the knowledge, it's time to create your own Shopify website and start your e-commerce journey.